Navroz Mubarakh. So today's vlog is going to be different. A lot of you guys keep asking me to vlog about Parsis and more about the culture. I'm not a very religious person, but I thought I'd vlog today, like do a Parsi New Year vlog for you guys, so you guys get to see what we do on Parsi New Year. It's nothing really special. We just eat Parsi food, hang out together and chill. But first up, we're heading to the fire temple. Show me your eyes. Where are your eyes? Very good. Where's your nose? No nose. You don't have a nose. You don't have a nose. Your teeth? Show me your teethies. So we're back home and now it's time for lunch. So we're having some Parsi bhonu for lunch. You cannot have Parsi New Year without bhonu. It is actually Parsi food. This is a special Parsi food that we have like at navjots or weddings and things like that. This is not the stuff that we make at home. So we ordered. But yeah, we have quite the spread. Check it out. So this is all the food that we have. The first thing we have is some sari mutton, which you have to eat with some sari. That's the mutton. Some keema, some dal and pulao, and some paneer and dal. This is the sarya and the sari. And my favorite dish is the patrani machi, which is a steamed fish with like this green chutney wrapped in a banana leaf, and it is really, really good. And for dessert, we have a mawani boy, which is like a mithai, and the second mithai we have is sutta feni, which is again like buddi ka dal, but it's really, really good. Okay, it's time for some Farsi trivia. Number one. A lot of people say happy pateti. There is no such thing as pateti, guys. It's papeti, and papeti is like New Year's Eve, which was yesterday. So it's either Navroz Mubarakh or Happy New Year. Now, if you really don't know who the Parsis are, this is the Parsi. I don't know how to go into details, but basically we came from Persia, which is Iran today, and we landed in Zanjan, and we kind of made this pact with the king there, and he gave us safe passage into India, which is how we ended up here. The basic principles of Zoroastrianism are good words, good thoughts, good deeds. So we don't really have a god, we have a prophet Zarathustra, and we basically worship fire, which is why we have fire temples. Now, unfortunately, non-Parsis are not allowed into fire temples because of the pact we made with the king in Zanjan, which I don't really agree with today. I think everybody should be allowed, but sadly, that's why I didn't really film a lot in the fire temple as well, but we worship fire basically, which is why we light diyas or divos, and we have a big urn with a massive fire burning in every fire temple. Now this one is interesting. When we die, vultures eat us. So we have a place called the Tower of Silence, which is where our funerals are held. Then we have these massive wells which are surrounded by vultures, and we kind of want to give back to nature after we die, which is why we allow the birds and vultures to eat us. Zoroastrianism is one of the oldest religions in the world, so yay for us. That's it, I think. So my friend Nandini just sent us this beautiful orchid plant. Something just arrived for my father. This is what I got him for his birthday. Happy birthday, Asu.
Thank you.
This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played two. He played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
Who's this boy? Who's this boy? Is it Zivu? Who's this boy? Cheers. that's it from me, guys. Back home, gonna crash. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Happy New Year, Navroz Mubarakh. Hope this year is great for all of you. And now I'm climbing my 3 floors. Bye. Good night.